Open your Canva design and orient yourself to the tips they offer. Click on the element you want to animate. With your mouse, click and drag the element, then drop it on its end spot. Like the tip said, if you let go of your cursor, that ends the animation. If it happens that you let go of your cursor, but wanted your animation to continue, click Delete Path. To make a continuous animation, click the element you want to animate while holding down the Shift key. Continue to hold the Shift key while you drag the element, then drop it on each consecutive motion you want to make animated. You can try out the original, smooth, or steady animation settings to adjust the movement of your element. To have the element change its orientation to align with the path, click Orient Element to Path. Now, the element will rotate accordingly along the animation path. To change the speed of the animation, slide the speed button. When you are finished, click Done. That's it. You're done.